In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a horizontal line separator in WordPress. If you're looking to improve the design and clarity of your WordPress site, incorporating horizontal lines is a simple yet effective way to do so. These lines can help break up content, highlight important sections, and create a cleaner and more organized appearance overall. Whether you're new to WordPress or have some experience, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate line separators into your content. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control center for all your website customization needs. Once inside, navigate to the page or post where you want to add your separator. You can do this by clicking on Pages or Posts in the menu, and choosing the relevant item. If you're starting from scratch, you can create a new page or post by selecting Add New. With the editing window open, you'll find yourself in what's known as the Gutenberg block editor. This is where you'll be adding most of your content. Look for the small plus sign, or the Add Block button, within the editor. It's typically located near the upper left side or directly within the page where you'd like to insert your new element. Click this to open the block library. Now, you have a multitude of options, but to successfully add a horizontal line, you'll want to select the Separator block. Sometimes users might find this under Design in the block menu, so if you don't see it immediately, a quick search should bring it up. Once you click on it, a line will be placed at the point where your cursor was located. It's as simple as that. At this point, customization is key, based on your design needs. You can adjust its style or thickness to better fit your website's aesthetics. To do this, look on the right side of the editor where the block settings typically appear. Here, under the Block tab, you can choose between a regular line, a wide line, or dots, depending on the type of break you're aiming for. A little tip here: while horizontal lines are a great way to divide content, use them sparingly. Overloading a page can make it look cluttered and detract from readability, so always aim for balance. After customizing your line separator to your preference, don't forget to save your changes. You can do this by clicking the Update button, or Publish if it's a new page. It's always a good idea to preview your changes before going live, ensuring everything looks just right. Hit the Preview button to see how it appears from your site visitor's perspective. And that's it. You've successfully added a horizontal line separator to your WordPress site. It's a simple enhancement that can significantly improve how your content is presented and perceived. Thanks for watching, and happy WordPress designing!